Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. Okay, today is a really good time, I think, to introduce the dolls that you will have seen at the back of my Lego Dots videos. I had so many comments asking, Ellie, what are these dolls? What are these gorgeous dolls? And I haven't addressed it yet because I've been waiting for the perfect moment, and today is that perfect time for... I'll tell you why in a moment. So let's introduce these girls. These dolls are smart dolls. They are, I don't know why they're called smart dolls, but they are just gorgeous. They are definitely adult or collector type dolls because their price range is, I don't know how to say this, they're expensive. They are, well, let's say they're a premium item. They're a collector's doll. That's what they're designed to be. So here are the two girls that I have so far, and you see them in the videos with different wigs because you can change their hair around. This one on the left here is Infinity with her freckles, and I've actually changed her eye color out. And on the right is Prowess with the cat whiskers. She's a kitten. She's our kitten girl, and she's wearing the cat ears. So these dolls, these two that we have, they're Japanese, so they're 52,000 yen, which in Australia is around about $700. So like I said, collector's dolls, and I have bought one doll for the last 2 years. Today, I have received the doll that I've been saving up for this year. So I'm very excited. So I thought I would share the opening of her and introduce her to you on the channel before you see her in one of the Lego Dots videos, probably wearing a completely different wig. So let's see. This is our smart doll box. Let's get it open. This is so exciting. This is my early Christmas present. So this is my Christmas present to me that I save up for each year. And this is my girl for this year. So they come in a tote bag, which I never ever use again, but it's pretty cool. This is the doll in here, and in here are some of the extra things as well as some of the things that they come with. So I bought some other things because postage is pretty expensive. So I thought I'd chuck a few things in, save up for them. This was on special, this little cap, so I had to give that one a try. These are some different hand shapes, what do you call it? Hand gestures. And this is for this is the skin color that that Prowess has, so they're gonna be for her. And I've got some different eye colors too, so I can change out the eyes. I've got yellow ones and I've got green ones, and this is cool. I'm looking forward to see how the yellow ones look in my kitten girl. And we got a stand and we've got the wig, and let's put everything back in here except for the wig, because this is the hair that goes on my new girl, and it's so long. Now, if you are a smart doll aficionado, I think you'll look at this hair and you will know instantly which girl it is that I have added to my collection. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I kind of expected it to be coarser, but that is so soft. And also, you know, I'm going to be trying this hair out on the other girls, but another day, not today. Today it belongs to our new girl, who is currently wrapped in plastic. So we'll let her out so that she can actually breathe, but she travels very safe in there. And the girls get sent in some underwear, which is nice. It means that they don't come completely nutty. So let's get her out of here. And yeah, she looks a bit odd without her hair, but oh my gosh, she's beautiful and so big. She's actually too big to fit on my table, which is, you know, set up for building Lego. These dolls are tall. They're actually, they're 60 centimeters tall, so they are 2 feet in height. So they are majestic and just so gorgeous. Okay, we've got our girl out here. The moment she has no clothes on, let's put some clothes on her. And I'm not going to do that on camera because it's actually quite almost a violent process trying to put their clothes on, because you have to rip their heads off and take their hands off to put the clothes on. So let's not do that today. Let's just morph into the clothed version of Oceana, which is the girl that I've bought. Her name is Oceana and she's beautiful. Let's put her wig on and see how this goes. So you have to hold the wigs at the front and then pull them down at the back to get them onto the head. But it's not a hard process. And I'm actually quite rough at putting the wigs on to pull them into position. I think that's a little bit far forward on her forehead, so I might need to pull it over a bit and pull it maybe back a bit. Let me think. Yeah, I think that now her forehead looks a bit high, so maybe about there. Though the hair now on the right hand side is shorter than the hair on the other side. Maybe her part is supposed to be on, that looks a bit whacked actually. I don't know where the part is supposed to be. If you put it over on this side, the hair's kind of more even, but the hair looks like it's been styled to have that bit on the right to actually be up. So I've just checked the actual picture, the promotional picture. So going to pull it back over here the way that it's been styled to be. And that just means that the hair's going to be a bit shorter on the right hand side. But oh my gosh, isn't she beautiful? She's got warm brown eyes, lovely brown eyebrows, and she's just so soft and lovely. We actually got Infinity, the first girl, with the freckles because, well, when I say we, that's Millie and me. So we decided on her because she's feisty. But this girl, she looks a lot shyer. But I don't think that that means that she's a pushover. I think that she might just be a bit more easygoing about life. So I think she's going to fit in very, very well with my two other girls. They have a more outgoing personality and she's going to fit in just perfectly. Now, look at me, I'm giving them personalities because they do. Oh, okay, I just can't stop touching her hair. It is so soft and so long. We're going to be able to tie it back and do like a little soft Barrett back on this side here, and oh, she's gonna just look cute. All right, let's try some of the, well, I only bought the hat to because yeah, it was quite an expensive shipment, but I just couldn't resist this hat. So this cute little cap, how does it look on her? Oh, that's just adorable. Oh, hold on, we've lost an eye. I think we need to crinkle it up a bit on the top, but let's see if I can get her eye back. And we'll pull her hair over to the side. And if we push the top of the hat and the brim together, maybe a little bit like that. Oh, that's so cute. It doesn't actually go with the color of her overalls, but oh, that is just, oh, I've got so many plans for this. All right. There you go. Now you know who the dolls are, and it was really exciting to share my newest one with you. Happy early Christmas to me. No more Christmas presents for me, I'm done, but that's okay. I am totally okay with that. So Oceana will be turning up in future videos, as will the other girls. So now you know, they're smart dolls, they are super gorgeous, and I loves them. All right, now's the time to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about my gals, and I'll be back with another video really soon, so I will see you then. Bye.